In front of me is iPhone 16 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down to click on Apps. Then tap on Passwords over here. Scroll all the way down. Select Open Passwords and enter your current screen lock. Then click on one of those sections to find your password that you wish to delete. Click on it. Select Edit at the top right corner and tap on Delete Password. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!